We are remembering an American trailblazer, Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor, the first woman to serve on the high court. She died today at age 93. For more than 2 decades, Justice O'Connor was known for building compromise on the court, and always with a quiet authority and grace. ABC's Terry Moran looks back at her life and influence.
Sandra Day O'Connor was a towering figure on the U.S. Supreme Court for 24 years, the crucial swing vote, shaping the law in case after case. And she was so much more. An American icon, the no-nonsense rancher's daughter and brilliant legal mind who had to fight entrenched sexism every step of the way of her remarkable rise to power. She learned to brand a calf and fire a rifle before she was 10, and she was a brilliant student near the top of her class at Stanford Law School. But when she graduated, the only job offer she got was to be a legal secretary, as she told George Stephanopoulos.
You graduate at the top of your class in law school and can't get a job.
Not even an interview.
Not even an interview.
Much less a job. Isn't that amazing? Well, times changed, but that was at a time in the middle of the last century when women weren't hired as lawyers.
But none of that could stop her. She went to work for the district attorney, won a seat in the state senate, and became a state judge. Then President Reagan, fulfilling a campaign promise, chose her to become the first woman on the Supreme Court.
She is truly a person for all seasons, possessing those unique qualities of temperament, fairness, intellectual capacity, and devotion to the public good.
When O'Connor arrived at the court, she discovered there were no women's bathrooms near the justices' offices. That changed, and much else.
It was a signal that it was all right that women could be in such positions, that they could do well in such positions. And so opportunities at every level, not just for lawyers and judges, but across the spectrum, opened for women. It was wonderful.
She cast the decisive votes on numerous landmark cases, upholding Roe v. Wade and the right to choose abortion, preserving affirmative action in higher education, and upholding congressional regulation of campaign spending by corporations and unions. All those cases later overturned. In 2006, she stepped down from the court. Her husband had developed Alzheimer's, and she wanted to take care of him. And then, in a bitter irony, she announced in 2018 she had been diagnosed with dementia herself and was withdrawing from public life. In that farewell letter, Sandra Day O'Connor wrote, "I hope I have helped pave the pathway for women who may have faced obstacles pursuing their careers." And she also wrote, "How fortunate I feel to be an American." Whit?
Terry Moran, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.